Ladies and gentlemen, we are 6 days away from knowing if Raw will ever return or if WCW will rise from the ashes and seize Nitro forever. Michael Cole here with WWE Hall of Famer Jerry the King Lawler. And King, last week it looked like Team WWE was on the brink of falling apart.
Oh, it sure did. But thanks to some interference from the WCW legends, Team WWE learned that it better start working together.
And it's a good thing, too, because with several superstars either injured or siding with Nash and his band of thugs, Triple H is running out of options. Vader and Animal are attacking Jacob Cass.
Come on, Jacob! We need you, kid!
Intercepted. Oh, big move off the check.
Well, that's it. If they keep going like this, somebody's gonna get seriously hurt. That did it.
Hey, over here.
What's Cody doing?
This is a trap. King, it's gotta be.
Oh no, it's 2-on-1 again.
But Jacob Cass refuses to back down.
Oh no, it's 2-on-1 again.
But Jacob Cass refuses to back down.
Oh no, it's 2-on-1 again.
But Jacob Cass refuses to back down. We're less than a week from the fate of Raw being decided, and WCW is trying to swing the scales to its side. too slow. Stuffed again. When WCW riled up Jacob Cass a number of months ago, they could have never imagined that this rookie would be equal to the task.
Oh, Michael, imagine this Fury times 10. That's exactly what we're going to get this Sunday.
My turn.
Not fast enough.
There's no getting up from that. Man, these guys are just going to wear each other out.
What do we have here?
Nothing I couldn't handle.
Help me out. I have an idea.
Where are you going?
I'm just taking out the trash.